just straight up nervous. I'm nervous. Let me show you the picture of what I'm going to try to recreate today. This is Eva. That's her character's name on Beyond the Gates, the black soap opera that comes on every day. I'm sure you've heard of it. But I'm looking at my cell phone with her picture blown up. The gradient. It's the gradient for me. It's the brown for me. They do some of the most beautiful eye looks. If you watch this show, please start paying attention to Eva's eyeshadow looks. Gorgeous. And she has, 6 miles of space. So beautiful. So pretty. I love that. Now, I just said she has 6 miles of eyelid space. Girl, I've got like 1, okay? So my look won't be exactly like this just because our eye shapes and everything, they're different. However, it's so beautiful. I had to take a picture of it and I wanted to recreate it. Well, girl, recreate it as best I can. You know what I'm saying? My cell phone says I took the picture October 8th. So it would be the episode that aired that day if you wanted to go back and try to find the episode and see it in, live instead of the picture. I'm going to put a picture here, or maybe I'll put the side by side or something so you can see, what it looks like. But girl, it's so pretty. So we are going to use this palette, the NATASHA DENONA Eye Sculpt Texture and Tone palette in the dramatic offering of it, okay? So this one has a lot of browns, deeper browns, lighter browns. I don't know, girl. We're gonna try it. We're gonna see. I think this N3 shade will be important. The black shade. Yeah, I think she has a little black along the eye, along the lash line. Girl, I don't know. We're gonna try it, y'all. We're gonna try it. It's all matte, and I'm trying to decide right now, do I work from the bottom up or the top down? I'm nervous. I don't know why I think I can do this, but we're gonna give it a try. I'm gonna start out with my trusty dusty number 19 Sephora collection. Really great for hooded eyes. I feel like I should start at the bottom though. Let's actually start with this pencil brush and just do a little bit of the black shade. Girl, let me pull it closer. I don't know what I'm doing. Let's see. Okay, let's just start. We gotta start somewhere. So let's just go in with this black shade. And I feel like they kind of are trying to wing it up a little bit. Let's try it. We'll see. I'm warning you, girl. Mine won't look just like hers. Okay, not bad. Let's do the same thing over here. And I'm just placing that right above the lash line. But I'm not taking it all the way to the inner corner. I don't know, girl. Okay. I feel like I like this side a little better than this one. But that's where we're starting. Okay. Now, we're going to go in with N3. That is the deepest. Let me swatch. Hold on. N3 is the deepest brown shade. Okay. Let me see how much. No, let's try this brush. Okay, so we're gonna go in with the number 19 Sephora collection, and we're gonna start out with this N3 shade. I'm so nervous. Because I am so nervous, I'm going to just tap and maybe swipe just a little bit. I don't feel like that's as deep as the one that she has on her lid. I don't think this shade of brown is as deep as the shade that she has. So let's try this one. Let's see if that will give us the deepness that we need. And I'm just gonna tap. And the name of that shade is W3. And okay, yeah, that's it. That shade is in the light version of the Texture and Tone palettes. So now we need to find the next gradient shade. I'm gonna try N1 right here. And that's in the Dramatic palette. I All right, I had to let the battery do what it do. Then I had to empty out the SD card, all kind of issues. But I decided to come back, girl, with a little holiday cheer on my head. I found this at Walmart earlier today. I think it's cute, girl. Little holiday cheer, little Vlogmas cheer. I don't know what to really say about how this look is going, but we're gonna switch over to this M505 and we're gonna go into P1. Still in the Dramatic palette, and we're just gonna put this right on the edge of that brown shade we laid down. I don't know, y'all, it's not doing what I want it to do. So clearly Eva's look was done by a professional, you know, a makeup artist, which I am not. Yeah, they're not looking the same at all. Her eye look has a deeper shade right here. But see, I don't have enough eyelid space to put a deep shade here and then another lighter shade here and then the eyebrow. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's how hers is. That's how her gradient goes. But I can't. I don't have the lid space. Let me just do the same thing over here. Girl, it's a no. I knew because I have hooded eyes that there would be a difference, but I cannot pull off the gradient. I think that's the problem. Yeah, I can't pull off that gradient. Let me try something right here. Let me see if I can find a shade that would look okay. Let me see. Let me see what this would look like. This is W1 right there. And this one though is the soft palette. So let me just kind of tap and see if that would give me anything for a gradient. Kind of, sort of. When I close my eyes. When my eye is open, you can't see it, of course. But when I close this eye, maybe, y'all. You have to laugh at yourself sometimes. Does it look anything like hers, like, at all? Like, even a little bit? I don't know, girl. Probably not. Let me go ahead and do the same thing over here that I did over there. And I'm just stamping to try to get as much pigment there as I can. And then put a lighter shade up here. I tried, girl. I tried. When I saw her eye look that day, I was like, oh my goodness, that is so pretty. I think I'm gonna stop right there because I don't want to take a chance on messing it up even worse. So girl, that's it. That's me trying to recreate that beautiful look. I did what I could. I accept the fact that I have limited lid space. It's okay. I think the look is cute. You know, it's cute, but it's just not as gorgeous as hers. And that's okay. So that's today's Vlogmas video. I am having a lot of fun recording these videos. I hope you are really enjoying them. I cannot wait to see you on the next video. We all know that'll be tomorrow since it's Vlogmas. But until then, please be safe and always be blessed. Bye-bye.